If you find that your shadows are failing to block loud noises, what you need to do is check the fit. Make sure that you've installed the foam tips. There's 3 different sizes of tapered tips and 1 size of barrel tips. Find which size fits best for you. Make sure that you're compressing the foam before you put it in your ear and that you have a good fit. You may need to hold it in place while the foam expands to fully fill your ear canal. After that, do some testing. Make sure that your shadows are off. Clap near your ears, make some loud noises, and make sure that those sounds are suppressed. It's important to protect your hearing, and a good fit is the best way to do that.